It's really important to understand that when we're dealing with humans, we all process differently. We all process at different speeds. We all require different amounts of data input to be able to process. Like I might need, just give me the high end about how this change that we're doing here right now is important.
Mm-hmm.
Great, that's all I need to know. And I'm going to adapt what I need to do to reach that vision. But other people don't. They need to process from, okay, but if we do this, and that leads to this, and that leads to this, and that leads to this, we need to have patience that everyone does process differently. If we just go in and give a high level brush over of things, that can be terrifying to people who require more detail. So I think part of the skill set for leaders too is you're going to have a multi-message, because it's not going to be one size fits all. And how you might go in and do, say, a group presentation of change where you're asking for resilience or adaptability, you may then need to invest quality time with the individuals who you know might need more explanation or more data. And that becomes part of your leadership style, is to be able to say, this is for everyone. Everyone needs to take this as the bare minimum. And I'm aware that certain team members need it differently, and I'm going to go and dedicate some time to that where possible. And you'll get massive leverage from that because everybody feels seen.
Yeah.
Now, there's a line in that too between who needs more, who processes differently versus resistance.
Yes.
They're not the same thing. So being sure that you're not going to over-invest in a bunch of resistance. There's going to be certain things as a leader, you're just going to say, yes, this is different. Yes, this is different. Yes, this might not be what we were talking about last week, and it is the new business requirement. So we will be moving forward with this. This is not, the moving forward is not the negotiable piece, but perhaps the how we do it is to cut down people who just go, it's too hard, another change, I don't want to dig in the toes into the ground. So really being able to manage the difference between I need more information to buy into this new versus I ain't doing it.